Okay, so hi. Welcome to our new lesson wherein we will tackle social media and how you can use it for your online business. This will be the second to the last lesson that we will tackle in this virtual assistant masterclass. After this masterclass, I will provide a lot of other lessons that will help you start your online freelancing business and the different skills that you can acquire. I hope these lessons can help you understand why social media is essential and how it can give you a lot of advantage in this industry. Okay, so let's start. In today's discussion, we will tackle and answer these questions. The first one is, how important is social media when establishing an online business? How can you use social media to your advantage? What social media platform should you consider? And of course, creating a social media strategy that will help you finalize every plan to go smoothly during your transition from any other jobs that you have to online business. Okay, so now let's start again. So, hi everyone. Welcome to our new lesson wherein we will tackle social media and how you can use it for your online business. This lesson will be the second to the last lesson that we will tackle in this virtual assistant masterclass. After this masterclass, I will provide a lot of other lessons that will help you start your online freelancing business and the different skill that you can acquire and offer. Now, I hope this lesson can help you understand why social media is essential and how it can give you a lot of advantage in this industry. So let's start. In today's discussion, we will tackle and answer these questions. How important is social media when establishing an online business? How can you use social media to your advantage? What social media platforms should you consider? And creating a social media strategy. Okay? So let's start with an exciting question. What makes social media very, very important? Okay? So social media platforms are very important foundation and factor when establishing an online business. Social media will help you build your social media will help you build your online presence as well as find clients for your business. As I always say, if your business is not online, then your business may be out of business. To make it a lot easier for you to understand, social media will be your key in advertising your business and letting other people know that you and your business exist. Okay? So let's go to the next slide. Another thing is that social media is where your ideal clients is, or ideal client is, or ideal clients are. There are billions of people using social media, and that also means that you have billions of potential customers. I know not all of them are your ideal clients, of course, and not all of them will purchase your service. That is true. But still, even if there are only millions of potential clients and not billions that you can acquire through social media, it is still a great number of opportunities. With the right marketing strategy, patience, and quality service, you can easily find that ideal client that you want to have. So, if you are an aspiring virtual assistant, and I know you are, who is afraid of not getting any client through online jobs platform or website, remember that social media is still there and it can open a lot of doors for you, so don't be discouraged. I myself found my clients mostly through social media and not through online jobs platform. Okay? So I hope that's clear. Last is that social media can help you promote without spending a lot. Okay, I know a lot of people will disagree and say that social media needs money in order to promote. To be clear, I'm not saying that you won't spend, but I'm saying that you can without spending a lot. There is a thing called organic way of promoting, which means that you can market your service for free. It's a lot harder though, and can take you more time to generate results or ROI, but it is definitely worth it. Okay? So let's go to the how question. How can you use social media to your advantage? Okay? Okay, so let's explain it one by one. Number 1, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram can be your portfolio. Okay? So having a Facebook, LinkedIn, and IG page or Instagram page can help you showcase your service, especially in this virtual assistant skill set. Okay? So if you manage it correctly, clients will know that you really have what it takes. Okay? So skills like social media management, content writing, and graphic design are the usual skills that you can showcase using social media pages. Okay? Next is that Facebook and LinkedIn groups can be your marketplace and source of clients. Okay? So aside from applying through platforms like Upwork and onlinejobs.ph, you can also make your chances of getting hired by marketing your service through groups. You can post a little bit about your service or your skills through groups that allows promotion and reach out to different entrepreneurs that might need your service. Okay, so just remember to know the rules first of a specific group. So there are a lot of groups that are not offering promotion. They don't allow promotion rather, and there are groups that allows promotion. So please be careful so you won't be kicked out of a group. Okay, so next, social media contents can make you stand out. Okay, so as I say, social media can give you a lot of credibility, and as managing one can show your dominance when it comes to the skills that you are offering. Okay, next is that knowing a lot about social media can be a great skill or service to offer. If you know how to manage your own business using social media, then you now have the potential of becoming a social media manager or even a graphic designer. You are now on the path of learning more about these skills and you can offer it too. The good thing is now you have a page to show to potential clients to let them see your social media management or graphic designing skills. It's very convenient, right? Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, so what social media platform should you consider for your online business? Okay, so this is just my opinion, and the social media platforms that you should consider, per my opinions, are Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, so this is somewhat self explanatory, but if you have any question about it, you can simply ask through the comment section or you can message me about it. Okay, so not now. Okay, so now let's tackle another important question. Okay, so how do I make it work? Okay, so to make it work, we need this one. Okay, so welcome to social media strategy. So in your social media strategy, we need the branded graphics, your contents, and your promotion. Okay, so these three are your keys to creating a successful strategy. So this is just a general idea, and I'm telling you this because these three will be the factors that you should prepare when it comes to your social media strategy. Okay. So first thing is you'll need a branded content. Take note of the word branded. Okay. You'll need contents that aligns with your brand. So this includes your brand color, your font, and the general tone that you have. Okay, so it was discussed on our last lesson, and if you are still confused, you can rewatch it and try to understand more about branded graphics and branded visuals. Okay, so you also need to create contents. It can be a blog post to share from your website if you have one, or a status update that shows how much you know about your niche or the service you offer. Okay, so these contents should show your dominance when it comes to the services you offer, meaning this content should showcase how much you know about the service you offer. Okay, So in this in creating contents, it will also help you get closer with your customer by creating contents that they can relate with. Okay, so this is the key part of creating contents. You need to create contents that will empathize or somewhat relatable to your potential customers. Okay, last is the promotion. Okay, so in promotion, this will lead you in deciding whether you want to do a paid promotion or an organic advertisement. Okay, when we say organic, it means free. Okay, so now, of course, we are studying this. We are studying this, or you are studying this, because we need money. Okay, we need money, so we are studying. We are studying how to earn money by being a virtual assistant or a freelancer. Okay, so I think it's safe to assume that you will choose the organic way or the free. Okay, so or the free way of getting organic reach or getting what do you call this, getting views from other people. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Okay, so let's now discuss how you can do that. Okay, so don't get me wrong. Even in paid promotion, you will still need to research different hashtags, and as well as the SCL method or the share, click, and like method. Okay, so but if you don't have the money to promote, like we always do, we don't always have the money to promote our contents and our business, then this will be your chance. Okay, so this can give you a small chance, but a small chance is better than none, right? Okay, so first, you'll need to know how to research the hashtags that your ideal client uses in order to reach them. Okay, so the SCL method is where you share your contents to your profile groups or any other communities where your potential clients are. This is your way in gaining possible clicks and likes. Okay, so don't worry, this lesson will be discussed on the next one, which will be the last lesson for this masterclass. You will know how to somewhat research the basic of researching hashtags and promotion. Okay, so in the next lesson, we will surely discuss how you can promote organically. Okay, so don't worry about it. So you just need the glimpse in this lesson, and we will tackle it deeply on our next lesson. Okay, so now I know that this is a lot to take, okay? So, but if you are willing to practice using social media and possibly offering it as one of your service in the future, then let's do it in a way that you will also gain from it while learning. Okay? So you can learn from it and apply it on your very own business. Okay? Okay, so now before we end this lesson, let's recap some of the points that we discussed in this lesson. Okay? The first one is that social media is very important and learning it can give you tons of advantage in this industry. Okay? Number two, you can reach to your customers organically by using hashtag and the SCL method or the share, click and like method. Okay? Next is that branded graphics, contents, and promotion are your keys to successful strategy. And the last one is that social media can be your ongoing portfolio. Okay, so if you have any question in about this lesson key points or the whole lesson itself, you can comment it under this video, and we will answer it on our next lesson or through a response. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That concludes our lesson for today. So thank you so much for listening, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you have any. Okay, so remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So keep on believing in your dreams, and one day you will get to the future you always deserve. Okay, see you in our next lesson.